How to stop your Facebook account from getting banned. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can stop your Facebook account from getting banned. So let's get started. Now everybody is on Facebook and everybody loves Facebook, but recently Facebook has updated itself, it has become meta and all the different rules and guidelines have changed, and with time, Facebook has actually become a little strict in all matters because we know everybody is on Facebook and it had its own, problems. But now Facebook has, increased itself and kind of like made it a very professional platform. And with that comes the complication of getting your account banned. Like most of the time, people are complaining that their account is being banned for no reason and they don't know why that is happening. So today I will actually show you how you can stop your account from getting banned, and if your account is banned and you're wondering why that happened. So this video is going to be a huge help for you and for those people as well who do not want their account to get banned. So let's get started, and all of these different tips and tricks that I will be showing you, they all work and these are actually legit. So today I will tell you how you can save your account. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you do not fall for a scam. That is one of the important things. If you are involved in any kind of scam, then your account will get banned. So what happens is, do not fall for scam courses online or these scam to make money online and stuff like that. Most of the time these are actually online courses. So the first thing you need to do is stay away from these courses, because if you are a part of such a course, then you will get banned because you will be taking part in that scam. And of course, creating a scam is a huge problem. Do not create scam. If you used to do that on Facebook, well, now you cannot do that because Facebook detects it right away and your account will be banned. So make sure to not fall for scam courses. Do not be the part of such any event which is a scam, because then your account will be permanently banned from Facebook. So if you want to keep your account safe, then don't create scams, and you don't have to kind of like be a part of such a thing. So that is a very clear thing. Everybody knows if you will do scam, you will get banned from a platform. But sometimes people are like, okay, we didn't do anything but we got banned. So what happens is, your activity matters on Facebook. Now what you do on Facebook, let's just say you're in the marketplace, and in marketplace you're creating too much different projects. Let's say you are selling items for way cheaper and then you have bad reviews. This is also going to cause your account to be banned, because you cannot run a scam business on Facebook. Or even if you are not scam, but it seems like you are doing a scam, it doesn't make sense what kind of business you're doing. You have not provided the right information. You're not being consistent with what you're doing. So Facebook actually keeps track now, and you will actually get banned if Facebook kind of like detects a problem, and if they feel kind of like doing a scam, you will get banned. And this is one of the reason people don't understand. They're like, okay, we're not doing any scam, why did we get banned? So the thing is, there is an activity, I would say a shady activity from your account that causes your account to get banned. So in order to save yourself, make sure you do everything crystal clear and you have provided the right information. Otherwise, your account will be banned on Facebook. The next thing that you should avoid doing on Facebook is having two personal accounts. That is also a problem. You cannot create two personal accounts on Facebook. If you have two accounts, then you will probably get banned, or you will be banned from one of the accounts. So why that happens? Well, you can look at in this way. When we create a personal account on Facebook, a personal account comes with a ad manager and a business account, and then we can also create our Facebook studio, and then we also get our marketplace. So when you will have two accounts, that means you have two business accounts, and then you have two marketplaces. So that actually makes it very complicated, and Facebook does not want one person to kind of create multiple accounts on Facebook, that a lot of people used to do before it kind of like updated itself, and it was bad. So that is why Facebook has created this new community guideline, and that is that you cannot create more than one personal account on Facebook. So if you have created more than one account and your one account is got banned, well, this is the reason, because you cannot create multiple accounts on Facebook now. The next reason most people get banned, and you are wondering why you get banned and how you can avoid it. Well, the next reason, of course, is going to be if you are, producing a content which does not follow the community guidelines. If your content is vulgar or, is sensitive in any way, then you will probably get banned, and you will also be reported to Facebook. So if you are creating an account and you're posting something which is against the community guideline, even though Facebook has warned you and you're still doing that, then your account will get banned. And if you want to avoid it, then you should not do that. And sometimes now you might be wondering, most of the time people are just posting a picture and they're like, okay, this is just my picture, why it says it does not follow the community guideline? Well, you have to read the community guidelines, and sometimes an image or a video that we feel is not sensitive and we feel is not bad in any way, well, it is according to the community guideline. So sometimes that is the reason. If your content is being permanently banned, there is a problem, so you should solve it. Maybe there's like just 1 second of it that is causing that problem, so you can just simply go ahead and solve it, and make sure to check your content that it follows the community guidelines, because if your account does not follow the community guidelines, then you will be definitely banned from Facebook. And then the next thing, of course, if you are getting a personal information from people in any way, even if your business is legit, you're at a risk of getting banned. How this works? Well, when you create a business on Facebook, right, and you have created a business, and now you're like, okay, why I am getting banned? Maybe your business involves getting personal information from people, and we know that Facebook had its a problem when it comes to getting personal information from people. So that is why Facebook has become very strict in this manner. So what you have to do now is that make sure that you do not get any personal information from your followers, or the people who have ordering something from your page. Or if you have a marketplace that involves, you have an account page that requires adding personal information, then it is going to be shady for Facebook and your account will get banned. So if you're wondering why you're getting banned, maybe this is the reason. So make sure to check it out, check what's the problem, and then solve it. So now the question is how we can avoid all of these problems. Well, as I told you, these problems are very easy and very basic problems, but most of the time people don't consider them. So you have to check everything, the community guidelines, make sure to add the right content, and do not ask for personal information, and do not be the part of any kind of scam. Once you do that, then you will be able to use your Facebook very easily. And sometimes your Facebook is under review as well, maybe because of technical issues or anything. So if you get banned temporarily, don't worry, you will get your account back. You can also email Facebook, or you can message them to figure out what's your problem, to ask them that why your account was under review. But most of the time when an account is under review, it's reviewed and you get your account back. So don't worry if it goes under review, you will get your account back if you do not have any problem with it. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to save your Facebook account and how you can save yourself from getting banned on Facebook. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.